Welcome to Xplorer, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of smartphones. Today, we are diving into the Nubia Z70 Ultra, a device that's pushing the boundaries of mobile innovation. With its under-display camera and industry-leading performance, this phone is set to make waves. Let's break down what makes the Z70 Ultra stand out. One of the headline features of the Nubia Z70 Ultra is its 1.5K resolution under-display camera. This technology allows for a completely uninterrupted screen, giving you a stunning display for all your content. Measuring in at 6.8 inches, the AMOLED panel is perfect for vibrant colors and deep blacks, making everything from gaming to streaming an immersive experience. Powering the Z70 Ultra is the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, offering top-tier performance with up to 24GB of RAM. This phone is designed for multitasking, gaming, and all your power-hungry apps. It's also equipped with UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring fast read and write speeds with configurations up to 1TB. On the camera front, the Z70 Ultra is no slouch. It boasts a 50MP Sony IMX800 main sensor, a 64MP periscope lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultrawide sensor for capturing landscapes. This setup ensures that you'll have the versatility to shoot in any situation, from zooming in on faraway subjects to capturing wide scenic views. Battery life is another strong suit for the Z70 Ultra. With a 6500 mAh battery, you can expect to go all day without reaching for the charger. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 80W fast charging, allowing you to quickly get back to full power. Additional features include IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring the phone can handle the elements, and 8K video recording for content creators looking to shoot in ultra-high definition. The Z70 Ultra combines durability with cutting-edge tech to give users an all-around flagship experience. The Nubia Z70 Ultra is expected to launch in late 2024, with pricing starting around $800. Given its specs, this phone is set to compete with the likes of Samsung's Ultra models and Apple's Pro line. The Nubia Z70 Ultra combines top-tier performance, a revolutionary display, and powerful cameras, all wrapped in a sleek design. Could this be your next smartphone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.